Delhi police is inquiring into a complaint over an alleged incident during the singing of Vande Mataram at the Congress headquarters in Delhi on August 15th. The complaint was filed at the IP Estate Police Station on August 16th by an advocate. It seeks an FIR against Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. According to the complaint, Vande Mataram was being sung during the Independence Day function when Sonia Gandhi allegedly made gestures after the initial portion of the song had been performed. The complainant claimed gestures appeared to indicate an objection to continuing the song. The complaint also referred to a video in which Rahul Gandhi was allegedly heard saying that they are not singing Vande Mataram. The complainant has sought an impartial probe and appropriate action if the two leaders are found responsible. The BJP has accused Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge of showing utter disrespect towards the national song. The Congress has denied the allegation.